Chapter 1, Introduction to Writing. This is 1.5, Methods of Organizing Your Writing. A solid organizational pattern not only helps readers to process and accept your ideas, but also gives your ideas a path that you can follow as you develop your essay or paragraph. Knowing how you will organize your paragraph allows you to better express and analyze your thoughts. In addition, planning the structure of your essay before you choose supporting evidence helps you conduct more effective and targeted research. In this section, we are going to cover 3 ways to organize both your essays and paragraphs. Those 3 ways are chronological order, order of importance, and spatial order. For chronological arrangement, we have the following purposes. 1 is to explain the history of an event or topic. 2, to tell a story or relate an experience. 3, to explain how to do or to make something. And 4, to explain the steps in a process. Chronological order is mostly used in expository writing. This is a type of writing that narrates, describes, informs, or explains a process. For example, how to change the oil in your car, how to properly use a over-the-counter hair color kit. When using chronological order, arrange the events in the order that they actually happened or will happen if you are giving instructions. Make sure that you use transitional words such as first, second, then, after that, later, and finally. It helps your reader maintain a timeline for that particular process. Keep in mind that chronological order is most appropriate for the following purposes. 1, writing essays containing heavy research. 2, writing essays with the aim of listing, explaining, or narrating. And 3, writing essays that analyze literary works, such as poems, plays, or books. When you use chronological order, your introduction should indicate the information you will cover, and it should also establish the relevance of the information. Your body paragraphs should then provide clear divisions or steps in chronology. Now, you can divide your paragraphs by time. If you're doing a history paper, you may do it by decades, wars, time periods, those sorts of things, or by the same structure of the work you are examining. For example, if you are explicating a poem by T.S. Eliot, you may choose to do it line by line. Order of importance. When you decide to do a chronological order, in an argumentative essay, it is best to do it by order of importance. Order of importance is best used for persuading and convincing, ranking items by their importance, benefit, or significance, and lastly, illustrating a situation, problem, or solution. Most essays tend to move from least to the most important point, and your paragraphs are arranged in an effort to build that particular essay's strength. But sometimes it is necessary to begin with the most important supporting point in order to grab your reader's attention. When writing a persuasive essay, it is best to begin with the most important point because it immediately captivates your readers and compels them to continue reading. Spatial order. Spatial order is great to use if you are going to describe an object or describe the space around you. Think about real estate agents when they're describing a home to a potential buyer. They will tend to use the spatial order. Spatial order is best used for the following purposes. 1, helping readers visualize something as you want them to see it. 2, evoking a scene using the senses, so we've got sight, touch, taste, smell, and sound, or writing a descriptive essay. A descriptive essay works really well with the spatial order. All right. Okay.